We'll guide you through how to convert a PNG file to an SVG format using Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once it's up, go to the top left corner and click on File, then choose Import, find the PNG file you want to convert and click Open Inkscape. We'll prompt you with a few import options. You can usually leave these at their default settings and click OK. Now that your PNG is imported, you need to convert it to a vector format. Go to the Path menu at the top and select Trace Bitmap. This will open up a new window with several options. Make sure your image is selected on the canvas. Then in the Trace Bitmap window, choose the single scan option if you want a simple black and white conversion or multiple scans for a more detailed color version. Adjust the settings as needed, but the defaults usually work well for most images. Click OK and Inkscape will process the image. You should now see a vector version of your image on top of the original. You can move or delete the original PNG to compare the results. Once you're satisfied, go to File and click Save As. In the Save As type drop-down menu, select Plain SVG or Inkscape SVG depending on your needs. Choose the destination folder and hit Save. Your PNG image is now successfully converted to an SVG file. This vector file can be scaled without losing any quality, which is great for different design uses. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.